Wolo wolo no, lily wolo. Okay, do you want to sing the Naga style? Okay. Wolo wolo no, lily wolo. It means goodbye, okay? So when you go back home tonight, you can tell your friends that you now know a Naga folk song. Come on, sing it. Everybody sing it.
Rising, spirits free, freedom's flow with a heart's collide. It's time of the year to celebrate us. From the craft to the beat we slay, traditions flakes in every way. Dripping culture, keeping it tight. The hornbill spirit carries on in every craft, in every song. Let's dance to the rhythm, feel the beat, and chant this song with me. Everybody sing with me. I gotta hear you. Around the fire, tales are told of lands that gleam, are brave and bold. The colors we wear, the song we sing tonight. Let the bass drum feel the vibe. Every heartbeat, every tribe, and dance in the colors of the sound. The hornbill spirit carries on in every craft, in